Kola Akwebe mi le de kan kula mi le Ewenyigba TV mi va do so gakofe mi kata mi nya ba egbie nye NPP to pe akodawe le Dukoma kata logo le all the 16 region le Ghana Dukoma egbie mi le so gakofe alebe geha akodada eleji ne mi akwo nyema gbe abi pe amul tents commerçant amova yi Ekata kwa ekoye damole alebe watie PC American akpo NPP party le 2024 ekodawia na wa atiamio ta mikpobe amova le ekodam uje wana government dem yo sovinko unu lege gakwere ha amopa mo vepe ko nyame stand le South Tongu Nutome sikanye sugakopie nyon plenchu organizers at hall around NPP megando sikanye le South Tongu Nutome ha mia apun plan medeka eve kokude ali ekoda dala ko yim egbie eno yimia eno mo yinyo a understand the order tamile obiegeta no mitchule ge fifile mi na de gama alebe miakpo ali no kole ejime akpenemi asomi vado NPP constituency chairperson alo woman bo alabamia aho nyarka fe ko kude akwala dada omi we so ba Ewenyigba TV you egba fa ko dada laka no call ejima
well aba ko dada o katani ba ya ushani jumi delegation to kaba we have about the electoral college about 897 graduate
candidate to one of the pair who nyame akanela standing nka to afie onye na mema mo afie
4 years ago it was mama toy tabuto gara kamala Mama Vaha, we are happy not to bring the kind of stand. The same person stand. Yes, I'm a base stand. And if you have
to in terms of security, yes.
We share me a flip of a discomfort if you get on the whole
Mr. Emmanuel Koshi sikanye NPP top original rep deka sikane ule ekoda dalanu le sogakobalo South Tongu Nutome afia tamia bia ba aleke eno college aleke kwada da ko yima Mr. Koshi we so fa Ewenyigba TV
akwe my brother obe my dakwe no your viewers as constitution demand for the NPP party when we are about a year to the general elections obe mi atie mi amo the one who lead the party for the presidential slot 12 Makwa, we have to get a parliamentary candidate to also support the party moves with parliamentarians. The over fixed date Egba Zube Miller the often constituency elections warm. I believe by January. The other ones will also follow. Ta Ava Zube South Tongu Egba Domieji. And it's happening live.
Okay. But I guess so far, aspirant to Pama for Queen Yamel Candela who are prim the Egbapanka Kama, Nkatana over Yinema.
Oh, it's a choice. Open nomination, the party has been too democratic. Open nomination. So if you yourself you are interested, you know you are a good party person in good standing, yes, you have to pick the form. So at the end, it seems it was only 2 people who they were convinced by that contest. They all pick forms or you through the exercises, the vetting and all submission of forms and all those things. It's now up to the delegate to select one. And I must be frank, they are all good party people. I guess whoever wins, why not? The party will rally support behind them. And what we are looking for, getting a very good candidate to win the parliamentary seat first time for South Tongu, and also our target of breaking the 8. as we are saying that it's possible. Yes, so whatever happens, NPP South Tongu, NPP Volta, NPP Ghana is ready to rally behind whoever wins in any of their constituencies for this region.
Akpegogo.
Akpeno,